In this video tutorial, I want to share with you how to use the function called Transpose in Microsoft Excel. Actually, it's a very important function that you can use to reverse the arrangement of your data. Maybe, for example, you've arranged your first row, for example row 2, and you've arranged it name, and you put all the names of the people, and then you have the amount, and you put the amount, and you have the number of days arranged like this. But then all of a sudden you decided to change it to make it in an opposite arrangement. So you want them to, instead of horizontally displayed, you want them to be displayed in the vertical form. So Transpose is a very good function that can do that for you. You can do that within the same sheet, or you can go to another sheet and do the same function called Transpose. So let's try to start by going to a different sheet, and then we can go to any cell within that sheet, and we'll put it on the equal sign, and we can just type Transpose. And you can see Excel has recognized it. It converts a vertical range of cells to a horizontal range, or vice versa. Whether you are on horizontal, you can go to vertical, or you are on vertical, you can go to horizontal. Okay, Transpose can do it for you. So let's say we open the bracket, and then we can navigate and select the entire data. For example, this one. So we can just select everything, select and drag, click and drag everything, and then we have it selected, and you can see it at the top here. It has selected the entire data on sheet 1. So you can just close the bracket, or you can leave it even without closing, and it's going to give you the same result. So once you hit on enter, you're going to have your result changed completely to vertical. Okay, so notice that it has formula spilled. Your formula return multiple values, so we spill them into the neighboring blank cell. So you can just say got it, and you can see the way it has arranged the data, very nicely arranged, and you can see now it's nicely done. You can test on anything, and you can see everything is done the way you want it. The names are arranged the same way. For example, you can still highlight and just bold it if you want. The names are arranged the vertical way, the amount are arranged in vertical way, and number of days are arranged in vertical way as well. So we can choose any candidate, let's say Aminu, and we can check the values just to confirm. It has an amount of 41 and 0, and you can go back to that same sheet. You can check Aminu, and you can see the value it has, 41 and 0. Okay, so this confirms that our transpose is correctly done. So you can do the same way using copy and paste as well. You can go back to the same data, and you can select the data, and then you can just right click and copy. You can do paste special. That's what we call the paste special. You can just, on the home tab, you can just come all the way to the paste icon. You can come this drop down, you can see transpose from here. You can do also the same thing from here. Okay, so you can do transpose, and once you click, you can see it has made it a transpose, and it has converted everything to vertical. And you can check also from Aminu, 41 and 0, same thing. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a bit about how to convert a horizontal data into a vertical data, or you can convert a vertical data into a horizontal format, depending on what you want, using Microsoft Excel. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.